Hi, my name is Swarup Roy. I'm coming to you from Bangkok, Thailand, where I've lived for 17 years. I'm the founder and chairman of Time International, ASEAN Affairs Media, and Celfix Analysis. I'll tell you my story or how I became an entrepreneur. I became an entrepreneur by accident, believe it or not. I mean, not accident, real accident. Actually, I've had two accidents which nearly killed me in my life. The last accident at the age of 30, I met with a car accident in India, Calcutta, which smashed my leg into almost 4 pieces. It took 5 surgeries over 4 and 5 years to walk again without a limb. But in that period, I was invited to Thailand after 1 year of recovery, and I started my own enterprise because after the accident, when I was lying in bed, and before that for 7-8 years, I was doing very well in the corporate life after my MBA. And I had all the time lying in bed after the accident thinking that today if I had died, what would be written on my tombstone? That here was a guy who was a very good employee, who worked very hard to make his employers rich. I mean, I asked myself, can I live with that? No, I can't live with that. So I'm thankful to God or my creator, as they call it, to give me a chance, one more chance at life. And this time, I tried to do something on my own. But again, nature and God has been very kind to me. I came to Thailand, I became the president and the CEO of international newspaper at the age of 32 with a crutch in my hand because I had 2 more surgeries to go in Thailand. But in the 4 years after the accident, I became president and CEO of a newspaper. Then after 4 years after that in Thailand, I started my own company, Time International, a media company called ASEAN Affairs, which became one of the leading media companies in Southeast Asia. Nearly died. If I can come back from this, these challenges are nothing. But there is one way you can overcome a challenge. What keeps you going? If you are doing something only for fulfilling your own needs, whether it's physical needs, money needs, power needs, then I can tell you one thing surely. You are guaranteed to fail, and you should fail, and you deserve to fail, and you should get out of business. Only people who can, an entrepreneur or business is a solution to not solving your own problem, but solving a bigger problem than yours, solving the problems of customers, of government, of society, of people, right? So the real reason you must have should be bigger than yourself. If you have that, then you can keep going. So I also used to believe a lie when I was an employee. Hey, I cannot be an entrepreneur because I'm a middle class guy. Are you also believing some lie that is holding you back? Are you also a lion who's thinking who is a cat? If that is so, there is an objective way you can actually know who you are. And I have invented even a system and a tool and an analysis for you to know that. It's called Celfix Analysis. You can take their test for entrepreneurs and go to sxattp.com, okay? SXA, Celfix Analysis, Testing and Training Program, sxattp.com. Take the test and you will get a 20-page report on 36 attributes of yours, who you are, and you can use those attributes to empower yourself and build your business. So I wish you all the best, and we need all the entrepreneurs we can get who can make a difference to our society. So be hungry, be foolish, as one Steve Jobs said. I believe in that. I've been hungry, I've been foolish, and God has been kind to me.